Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to another Disney Pixar Cars Diecast video. Today is actually on a pretty cool video, and there are two things I'd like to say before this video actually starts, is that it takes half a second out of your day to hit that red subscribe button down below. If you haven't done already, it means a lot to me, it gets me through the day, my channel helps me out a lot, blah blah blah, yeah. Anyways, my mum came home with a bag of cars today, and yeah, it's a lot of cars, and the second thing is I'd like to say is that none of these cars in this bag I'll be keeping. This is just for, content, and that you guys like haul videos. But I have this bag here. It's of course a bag of Lightning McQueen cars. You can see, not all Lightning McQueen cars inside, this is the Lightning McQueen bag. But I will put this aside, and we'll go through the first car. And I believe we've got some pretty cool ones and some pretty boring ones. First off is Race Team Mater. Nothing too special, just a 95. You could just go off to the side straight away. Second one that I'm pulling out is a lenticular Winford. Maybe I could chuck him down the stairs. Pretty cool. Third one, got this plastic ambulance from Rescue Squad Mater. Pretty cool. One of my favourites, so I will leave him out. Here we've got a lenticular cruising Lightning McQueen, which I've already got, so I will not be keeping him. You see the 4 eyes. Pretty cool. Put him to the side. Another car. We've got Floyd Moby-Hill, the Cars 1 Gasping Racer. Pretty cool. Do like him a lot. We got this quick action shifters Mater, as you can see there, from the playset. Not one of my favourites, but I'll just put him on top of the ambulance because it's kind of funny. We got a smaller version of the Nurse GTO. I believe this is a Disney store from a set. Putting out another car now. We got Clog Scruggs. Pretty cool. China version of Claude. Another cool car. A Chew Snotwad. Still looking for the lenticular Snotwad, but I might not get him for a very long time. Just because he's not really on my want list right now. We never will be, just if I ever get him, I will obviously keep him. Snotwad can go in the bottom there. Of course, these three cars were already in the background at the start of this video, so just to let you know. We've got Rescue Squad Mater. Again, this is a Disney Store plastic one, so not the actual die cast. But pretty cool. We'll put him here. Here's another cool one. Lenticular Aiken Axler, or the Nitrade Piston Cup Cars 1 Racer. Pretty cool. One of my other favourites, we've got Top Marcus, the No Stall Cars 1 Racer, so put him next to Claude. That ironic scene. Here's a pretty cool release, Lenticular King, which I've already have. I believe in total this bundle cost £5, so pretty cool. Lenticular Hydraulic Ramon. You can see the eyes. Got another car now. I'm trying to rush through this as much as I can. Dalmatian Mia or Tia. I think this is Mia because Mia is always one. One of my favourites, Michael Schumacher Ferrari. His best friend Fernando Alonso. Here is Nurse Mia, I believe. No, Nurse Tia. Pretty cool. Lenticular Chick. I might put him here. Carlo Maserati. Maybe a video coming soon. Maybe before Christmas. Just a little hint of one of the days. Maybe. boring old Finn missile with broken things. This bundle wasn't actually that bad for £5, I got to admit. Put Finn there. A broken Dr. Mater. And COVID. We got Rusty Comfort. I do not like this Piston Cup racer at all, but oh well. You live and you learn. Then he's already coming off of me, look. Oh, pretty cool car. In particular DJ. We put him there. That's the Finn. Oh, and here's the quick changes, or the action shifters Finn. A bit like that Mater right there. Nothing too special. Regular Cars 1 Lightning McQueen. And just to say, my videos are not made for kids, so you know, YouTube, appreciate it if you stop turning off my comments, would be nice. Going down to the last few now. Rescue Squad Trooper from that set as well, the smaller set. I'll put him maybe there, just because he fits in that gap. Here is Nurse Tia, or Mia, I forgot which one I got out first. That's Mia. Here is Burnt Lightning McQueen. Two more cars, I believe, or two more items. Here's the launcher for the quick changes, or action shifters. You got Yokoza, or Komodo, because this is Komodo. Pretty cool, who's there? And actually, yeah, that was it. That was all the cars that we got for today. So just a quick shot over here. Again, these three cars here, Jesse, Fernando and Lightning McQueen did not come with it, but everyone else here did. Yeah, anyways guys, if you are new, if you like these types of videos, maybe I could do them like every few months, every time I get a huge bundle of cars. Yeah, if you're new, please make sure you leave a like, dislike if you dislike, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell notification button down below. Till next one, peace.